If you have a rigger where the tubes at the mounting point are bent, you can see on this rigger that the ends are bent in towards the other side. Now if you look at this side, it's pretty much perfectly straight. Now you can correct this with a rubber mallet. And all you need to do is just gently hit towards the side that it needs to be corrected towards. And you can get it so that it's perfectly straight again. So just some light taps with a rubber mallet. Make sure that it's looking like it's perfectly straight again, and then that's when you want to start fixing this onto the rigger rails. Now, what is a bit unique about the rigger rails that you have is that they are retrofit modular riggers. So what you have on your boat right now is the traditional long rigger. And this point right here would be beyond where this hole is. But since on the modular rigger, we change the length of the tube here, now the rigger rail is changed in length. So your mounting point on the boat is back behind where this set pin goes into the rigger rail. So in order to get the boat rigged up, I've got a separate instructional video on how to rig the boat. You're going to want to watch that first, but the main difference is that instead of using a Phillips head screwdriver to square the boat from the bow point, you're going to be using an Allen wrench. This is a 1/8 inch Allen wrench, and that fits in the end of this set screw here so that you can use this to square the boat. Make sure that both points on the oar lock from a set point on the bow are of equal distance. So once you adjust this and it's set and you've got an equal distance on both port and starboard side, you want to lock that nut in on the bow side. Now it's only done by a socket because you can't tighten this up because it's so close to the rail with a wrench. So you need a socket. This is an 11 mil socket. So that just goes right into the nut here, and then you just twist until it's locked up. Once it's locked up, it'll never move, the boat will always be square, and you'll be ready to row.